camp has stated that we will move SC challenging today's verdict. The Madras High Court has set aside the single judge order of status quo earlier. That was the breaking inputs that we had brought to you. But now the current latest breaking that we are bringing to you is that OPS is all set to move the Supreme Court challenging today's verdict at the High Court. Now, this is something that was more or less expected. Remember, the Madras High Court has set aside the single judge order of status quo, which had been passed earlier on 23rd of June. And now the latest that we are learning is that OPS is all set to challenge the Madras High Court's order, all set to move to the Supreme Court. For more details, I am joined by Purnima Murli, who's live with us. Purnima, if you could take us through the details. How soon should we expect OPS kicking into action as far as the Supreme Court is concerned?
Well, considering that it's the weekend, probably by Monday latest, O. Selvam and his legal team will move the Supreme Court challenging today's division bench of the Madras High Court's verdict that came in favor of, or that ruled in favor of Edappadi Palanisamy. In fact, O. Selvam, who's at his hometown in Theni district, addressed the media a short while ago and said that they will move the apex court at the earliest. Remember, right now it's a huge setback for O. Selvam because apart from making Edappadi the interim General Secretary, the July 11th General Council meeting also sacked O. Selvam and his loyalists, including his son, who is the AIADMK MP, the lone ADMK MP as well. So right now, O. Selvam has no choice but to fight the case and take the legal route possible. So early next week is when the OPS camp will move the Supreme Court. But at the moment, the rift between the two camps refuses to die down. It's only intensifying and snowballing, with both sides taking the legal routes possible to fight the case and both sides trying to stake claim to Jayalalitha's legacy.
Absolutely. Many thanks to you, Purnima, for bringing in all those inputs. And with that, we have some more